Let's just quickly revise using the work of another auditor. When you are a principal auditor and आप जिस entity का audit कर रहे हो, it has many joint ventures, subsidiaries or associate entity or the divisions or the branches. जिसका audit कोई और auditor कर रहा है, तो that person will be called the component auditor. You will be the principal auditor and you will have to use the work of another auditor. In that case, आप accept, पहली बात तो आपको consider करना पड़ेगा कि can you really accept your position as a principal auditor, in which you will have to actually consider whether the auditor's own participation will be sufficient to enable to act as a principal auditor. And you will need to consider that based on the four factors. One, what is the materiality of portion of financial information which you are auditing, principal auditor is auditing. Second, the degree of knowledge you have about those components business. Third, the risk of material misstatement in component that you are determining in their financial information, which is audited by the another auditor. And the what is the the last one is the performance of other procedures in this standards regarding the component auditors by the another auditor. Based on these four things, you will have to decide whether you want to use the work of whether you will use the work of another auditor. Now, in this journey, when you perform the procedures, you are being entitled with that right. You are being conferred with the right of visiting and examining the books and records of the component. But what if the components already has an auditor? In that case, you are entitled to rely on the work of another auditor unless there is a circumstances which make it necessary for you to visit and examine the records of that component. The question here is, can you actually have doubt on the professional competence of the component auditor? The answer is unless if it is the member of ICI, the answer is no. Otherwise, yes, you will need to consider. Then you will have to perform procedure to ensure that the work of another auditor is adequate. वहां पर वो ICI का member है नहीं member है फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. 100% cases में you will have to see the adequacy of the work performed by that person, and in that case you will have to issue the instruction letter in which you will mention the areas which require special consideration by the component auditor. You will mention the time for the completion of the audited by the component auditor. You will mention the procedure for identification of the intercomponent transaction that may require the disclosure in the group financials, and then you will advise them, component auditor, about the accounting, auditing and reporting requirement, and you will advise them about obtaining the written representation from the management of the component about the FRF and the other audit requirements. You can also review the written summary of the audit procedure performed by another auditor, and you shall discuss with another auditor what is the procedure performed by them. You can review the written summary of the audit procedures and the audit findings in form of questionnaire and checklist only. You cannot go through the working paper of that person. Then you will consider significant findings of the another auditor, and you will discuss with another auditor and management of the component about the audit findings and the matters that affect the financial statement of the component. And principal auditor may also decide to conduct a supplement test of the component financial statement if required. And then in that process, you will also make sure that you are coordinating. There is a good coordination between the principal auditor and the component auditor. They have to liaison together. The principal auditor will also do the written communication with another auditor. Another auditor has the responsibility to adhere to the timeline given by the principal auditor. He will bring into the attention any significant findings to the principal auditor. He will also respond to the detailed questionnaire and checklist sent by the principal auditor, and the component auditor will comply with the relevant requirement. During this process, you will also have certain reporting considerations, जैसे कि when the principal auditor conclude that the work of another auditor cannot be used and the principal auditor has not been able to perform sufficient additional procedure regarding the principal auditors regarding the financial statement of the component, then the principal auditor will issue other qualified opinion or disclaimer of opinion because of the limitation or scope. Now, in other consideration, if the other auditor issues modified, other auditor, that means component auditor, issues any modified opinion, that principal auditor will consider the nature and significance of the matter जिसकी वजह से modification आ सकता है in the entity's financial statement, and whether the principal auditor will also be required to issue modification in the group audit report. Right. Now, last in your audit report, you will have to mention about the division of responsibility. Firstly, principal auditor will not be responsible in respect of one work entrusted to the another auditor, except in the circumstances where you had, means as a principal auditor, you had suspicion about the reliability of work performed by another auditor. And when the principal auditor has to base his opinion on the financial statement of a entity as a whole, relying on the report of component auditor, then his report shall actually clearly state the responsibility of the component auditors by indicating how much of those components were actually audit, like how much of components entities financial information is actually included in the overall entities financial statement. इसमें आप percentage of those भी बता सकते हो कि total asset का कितना percentage है, या number of entities कितने include है, कितने components है, वो भी आप बता सकते हो. डॉक्यूमेंट क्या क्या करेंगे, तो पहला आपको डॉक्यूमेंट करना पड़ेगा कि कौन से ऐसे कंपोनेंट है जिसका ऑडिट किसी और बंदे ने किया है एंड उसका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है इन द ओवरऑल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. देन द नेम ऑफ अनदर ऑडिटर्स एंड द कंक्लूजन रीच दैट द इंडिविजुअल को अगर कोई कंपोनेंट आपको इमटेरियल फील होता है तो. एंड देन द प्रोसीजर यू परफॉर्म रिगार्डिंग द कंपोनेंट्स एंड द मैटर यू डील विद द मॉडिफाइड रिपोर्ट ऑफ द कंपोनेंट्स. आर वी ऑल क्लियर गाइस? डन. चले क्या 2 4 1 0? This was only done so that you will fresh to do 2 4 1 0.